Today, you're going to play the lemonade stand game, and as you're playing it, you're going to enter your results into an Excel spreadsheet. The goal here is to make as most money as you can and to stay in business for at least 10 days. Okay, so here's the link for the game. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you here. Okay, you might have to enable your the flash, so allow the flash player to work. So the goal is 30 days to run a lemonade stand. And again, we only did 10, but if you make it past 10, you can keep going. That's kind of the goal there. And we are also, as we do this, we're going to add a couple of things to our sheet. So I'm going to select row 3, and I'm going to go to Insert. And when I do that, it's going to keep these things like yellow. It's going to copy it. So just select them. And under Fill, say No Fill. And right here, we're going to put Assets. Beginning. Okay. So the first day for our assets, we have $3. That's just money that's been given to us. So I'm just going to type 3. And as I do that, I realize that it's also bolded those. So I'm going to select those again and unbold them. But I'm going to select all of these numbers here, and I'm going to go back and do my price here. So I'm going to select B3 through K8 and go up and click the accounting number format, then B11 through K11. And again, as you go through the days, you're going to continue to click that accounting number format so that your numbers look like money. All right, so our assets at the beginning, and it says right here, like you can kind of look out the window to see what it looks like, and it will give you a forecast. It says, "Good morning, Lemonville. Weather forecast for today is sunny and hot." Okay, so it only cost me 5 cents per glass. So that is my product expense here. And my advertising, I'm going to do 2 signs for advertising. So my advertising expense is going to be 50 cents. So I'm going to click here. Oopsie. 0.5. Okay. I'm going to charge 50 cents per glass, maybe 30 cents. 30 cents per glass because I want to sell a lot. And also I'm going to make 20 glasses. Okay, so to figure out my product expense, I'm going to do equals 0.05, that's 5 cents, times 20. Because no matter how many I sold, that's how many cups I made. Okay? So right now, without coming up with any income, we are out $1.50. So before the day starts, we're already out $1.50. So I'm going to hit go. And it looks like I sold 20 glasses. Oopsies. So my number of cups sold is 20, and my price per cup was 30 cents. So 0.3. When I enter that, I automatically get it automatically fills in my income. So my net profit that I get to take home is $4.50. So tomorrow when I start business, I now have $7.50. So I get to keep. So my assets for the next day at the beginning is equals the assets from the previous day plus my net profit. Now, if that's a net loss, then it's going to still be plus, but it will bring my assets down, okay? So the formula is B3 plus B8. So that's how much total assets I have in the business. Okay? So I'm going to select B4 and I'm going to fill that over. I'm going to click B7 and I'm going to fill that over. B8 and I'm going to fill that over. Okay? I can also fill this over. So then tomorrow, for day 3, it would take C3 plus C8. So it's going to continue. If you do the formulas right, you can just fill them over. Okay, and as you enter data, it's going to update it. So for day 2, I'm going to go to Go, look at the forecast. Now guys, if the forecast is ever like rainy, you don't have to do anything. Like you could just say, make glasses 0, advertising sign 0, charge per glass 0. Okay, so it's cost 10 cents per glass, and it's cloudy. Okay, I'm going to make 0 signs. I'm going to charge 15 cents per glass. And I'm going to try and make I don't know, 3 glasses. Maybe I'll make 5. All right, so here's my goal. So I'm going to put my number. I don't know my number of cups, but I do know my price, 0.15. I made no advertising expense. And my product expense is equals, it's 10 cents to make it, times, I made 5 cups. Okay, so I have to make at least 50 cents. So I need to sell 2 or 3 cups to make a profit today. All right, so I'm going to go back to the internet and hit go. Ooh, I sold 4 glasses. So I actually made a profit of 10 cents. Okay, so then I would just continue on with that trend. Again, if it says rainy and I choose not to do anything, just don't fill anything out here. Okay, so then you would just keep going. What does the next day say? All right, what should I do? How many signs should I make? How many should I charge for glass? Okay, so the goal is to get to at least 10 days.